Me and my wife are married for almost half a decade. We are not experts, but we have fought enough times to earn honorary degrees in miscommunication. Number one, love isn't enough. Marriage is work, hard work. So, tamad ka mang labaki, lalaki ka, sige dun, kusui dun to. Arat siyan mo, bumbahon mo si mister, bisan wala sala. Number two, it's the little things that add up. So, hindi ang mga lagkong away that will break you. It's the tiny stuff. Like the 50 times you asked nga, babe, lago na close ka, pertahan magwa ka, ha? Or mangkuton mo siya, babe, okay na na eh. Tapos, sabdo niya ka, okay na na. Pero sa pagkamatuod, balday. So, i-communicate mayo kag batsiganay lang. Number 3, isa sa pinakabudlay, conflict is inevitable and necessary. Kung wala ka mo nag-argue ni Mrs. mo, it's very likely that you're avoiding mga importante ng mga conversations. They say that healthy marriage do not avoid conflict. They learn to navigate it constructive. I think wala sa single best approach or ways to deal or to do this, but bottom line is that istoryahin nyo mayo sa maayong pamagi. Ang tipo nga wala sang may magdanang. Fourth, intimacy is not just about sex. Intimacy is more than just sex, okay? It could be holding hands, bisan ala ka mo sa sulod ka balay, talking to each other without cell phones. Love making is important. Feeling safe and connected, that's what really keeps you close. Here it is, number 5. You will want to give up, and that's so. There will be times nga mangindi ka na gidya. Suko ka na, dudla ka na. Moments nga daw wala na gitsansa. But sticking around, that's real strength. It's about helping each other to get back up. That's it. Now I know nga short lang ni but gusto ko nga nabuo lang ni ka to keep it short and real. Comment below anong mga realidad nga subong mo lang na learn with your partner.